Hi, and welcome back to the Dr. Ramsey Show. Today, I'm going to share with you how to do something at home that really cleanses your body. It's called a coffee enema. I haven't talked about these for a long, long time, but they're really good at detoxifying anything from the liver that's not leaving. So some people who have chronic illnesses get backed up and stuck, and they'll do these coffee enemas just to kind of release the toxins from their body. What you need is a bladder bag, and these will be shown up on the screen. You fill that with the warm coffee, not hot, warm coffee, and then you stick the cord into it. You want to prime the cord so you're not putting a lot of air into you with the coffee into the toilet. And then I would set mine up right by the toilet, right? So I'd hang it on the wall, I'd lay on the floor, and then you want to lubricate the tip. Enter the tip into the rectum, and you have control over how fast that goes, just like an IV would be. You can go fast or slow. You want to go pretty slow and let it fill up slow. The circulation in the sigmoid colon, which is where this goes, is direct to the liver. So it makes the liver contract. It's like, and I use this example all the time, if you have a dirty sponge you're going to wash dishes with, you clear it out in the sink, right? Until the water goes clear, you don't use it. That's what the liver does to the waste products in our bodies. It squeezes them out, just like, a dirty washcloth getting clear. So think of it that way. I just think of like my liver dumping. And after you do the first half of the coffee enema, you want to do the second half of the bag. You want to just sit there, marinating that liver a little bit, and then you empty, all of the waste products. You can do this every day. You can do this once a month. You can do this as needed. The chronic illness patients that I treat, they do it more frequently than not because they feel so much better once they detox their liver. So that's how to make a coffee enema at home. If you'd like to watch, there was a video we did recently with Rosemary Siciliano on colon hydrotherapy. This ties in really well with that. If you want to go back and watch that show and meet Rosemary, who I refer a lot of patients to, it's who I go to also for my colonics. You can learn more about her. But thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoy this at home if you need it, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.